What if robots could think and adapt in real time? From navigating tight spaces to avoiding sudden obstacles, a groundbreaking technique called Spectral Expansion Tree Search, or SETS, is changing how robots move and make decisions. Let's dive into this exciting world of robotics innovation. Most robots today can move in many ways, but they struggle to make the best decisions when facing obstacles. Imagine a humanoid robot helping someone at home. It needs to quickly adapt to unexpected challenges, like a dropped object or a sudden change in the layout. Or think of a self-driving car navigating a busy city. Each of these systems faces unique challenges. How can one algorithm solve problems for both? That's where SETS comes in. SETS, or Spectral Expansion Tree Search, is inspired by a decision-making process called Monte Carlo tree search. Picture a branching tree where each node represents a potential decision. Traditional methods struggle with the sheer number of possibilities, but SETS uses advanced math and physics to find natural motions for robots, balancing exploration of new options and exploitation of proven paths. This means robots can act smarter and faster. SETS allows robots to simulate thousands of possible actions in just a fraction of a second. It identifies which paths lead to success and skips over ones doomed to fail. For example, if a robot detects that moving forward will cause it to crash, it ignores that path entirely. This exploration and exploitation balance makes SETS incredibly efficient. Robots can now adapt in real time, making decisions multiple times per second. SETS has already been tested in 3 exciting experiments. First, a drone navigated through an airfield filled with dangerous air currents, distinguishing between safe and unsafe zones. Next, SETS helped a vehicle navigate a tight and winding track without crashing. Finally, it enabled tethered spacecraft to capture and redirect another object in space. These diverse experiments show how adaptable this algorithm is. What's next for SETS? Researchers are already applying it to an autonomous Indy car competing at the prestigious Indy Autonomous Challenge. Imagine the precision and speed required to race in such high-stakes environments. The possibilities for SETS extend far beyond racing, from disaster relief robots to delivery drones. This algorithm is just getting started. Spectral Expansion Tree Search is revolutionizing robotics, making machines smarter, faster, and more adaptable. What do you think about this incredible breakthrough? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech innovations.